Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Cassie Howard from the 7th and 8th episode of Euphoria, and let's get into it. I primed my eyes with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. Hydrate lips with the Course RX Lip Sleep Mask. On my eyelids, I'll be using the ColourPop Faded to Hue palette in the shade Love and Warhol. On the inner corner of my eye, I use the shade Take It Easel. On top of Love and Warhol, I use the shade Retro as my layer of shimmer base. For that subtle glitter look, I use Prismatic on my eyelids. For that graphic liner, I mix Bell Bottoms and Blue Raspberry. I'll be using the Duo Lash Glue and an Ardell Lashes in Demi Wispies. For eyeliner, I use the Gavisi Beauty Retro Liner in Disco Fever, priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Concealing and highlighting my imperfections in face with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Contouring with LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. For that pink flush look, I use the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bora Bora. Highlighting my cheekbones with ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Wisp. Setting Bora Bora with ColourPop Pressed Blush in My Type. Setting my concealer with ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Powder in Light 6. Setting my contour with Wet n Wild Contouring Contour Palette in Caramel Toffee. Lining my lips with ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Love Bug. For lipstick, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Ziggy. Setting my entire face with ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Mist. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!